Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to transfer money from PayPal to GoDime Bank in 2025, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, making it quick and secure. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid via PayPal or just managing your finances, knowing how to move funds seamlessly is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both your PayPal account and GoDime Bank account set up and verified. This is crucial to avoid any delays. Start by opening the PayPal app on your phone or logging into the website on your computer. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Money section. It's usually easy to find at the top. Next, look for the option to Transfer to Bank or Add Bank Account. If GoDime Bank isn't already linked, you'll need to add it. Enter your GoDime Bank account details carefully, like your account number and routing information. Double-check everything to prevent any errors. Trust me, it's worth the extra second. Now, select the amount you want to transfer. PayPal will show you any potential fees up front, so keep an eye on that, especially since fees might vary in 2025 based on your location. Once you're happy with the details, hit Confirm and follow the prompts to authorize the transfer. It might involve a two-factor authentication step for security, which is a good thing. After that, sit back and wait. Transfers to GoDime Bank typically take 1 to 3 business days, but with 2025's faster processing, it could be quicker. Once it's done, check your GoDime Bank app or online banking to confirm the funds have arrived. And there you have it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal to GoDime Bank in 2025. It's straightforward, but always remember to keep your accounts secure with strong passwords and monitor for any unauthorized transactions. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.